Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country and world. Starting with the headlines. We are a secular country, guidelines will be laid for everyone, SC extends interim stay on demolition drives. Lawyers in Uttar Pradesh demand transfer of judge over alleged misbehaviour with senior advocate. Karnataka High Court directs OLA to pay Rs 5 lakh to woman who was sexually harassed by cab driver. Delhi High Court to hear on November 29th Jagdish Tytler's plea against framing of charges in 1984 Anti-Sikh riots cases. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court today extended its interim order whereby it stated that there will be no demolition of properties including of those accused of crime without its permission. The court clarified that it is being extended till the matter is decided. The court was hearing a writ petition filed by the Muslim body Jamaat Ulama-e-Hind against the demolition drive carried out by the North Delhi Municipal Corporation (NDMC) in the Jahangirpuri area. While taking suggestions on the guidelines against the demolition drives happening in the country, the bench of Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice K.V. Vishwanathan said, "Whatever we are laying down, we are a secular country. We are laying it down for all the citizens, for all the institutions, not for any particular community." During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared for 3 states, UP, MP and Rajasthan, and raised an issue with some instances alleging a particular community is targeted and pointed out that laws do not allow encroachment on footpaths, forest areas, etc. To this, Justice Gavai said, "Whatever we are laying down, we are a secular country. It would be for the whole country that we have clarified. If it's public road, water bodies, railway lines. Whether it be temple, dargah, it has to go. Public safety is paramount." The Uttar Pradesh State Bar Council has unanimously passed a resolution seeking transfer of Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Sangeeta Chandra over alleged misbehaviour with senior advocate. In a letter addressed to the Supreme Court, the bar body has also sought urgent consideration of its demand. The resolution added that Justice Chandra should not be assigned any judicial work until she is transferred. The genesis of the conflict lies with an order passed by Justice Chandra wherein she proposed contempt of court proceedings against senior advocate S.C. Mishra. The bar body has now alleged mistreatment of lawyers in the courtroom. The Karnataka High Court has ordered ANI Technologies, the parent company of OLA cabs, to compensate a woman with Rs 5 lakh allowing an alleged incident of sexual harassment by one of their drivers in 2019. The court also asked the company to pay Rs 50,000 for the petitioner's litigation expenses. The single-judge bench of Justice M.G.S. Kamal also directed OLA's Internal Complaints Committee to conduct a proper inquiry occurring to the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 (POSH Act). The inquiry must be completed within 90 days and a report submitted to the district officer. The court emphasized adherence to Section 16 of the POSH Act, which guarantees confidentiality of the identities involved. The petitioner initially took her complaint to OLA, but the company's ICC, based on external legal advice, declined to investigate, citing lack of jurisdiction. The woman then approached the High Court seeking an order for OLA to investigate her complaint and calling on the Ministry of Women and Child Development to ensure the company's adherence to POSH guidelines. She also sought protective regulations for women and children using taxi services. The Delhi High Court today deferred the hearing of a petition filed by Congress leader Jagdish Tytler challenging a recent trial court order that framed charges against him related to the 1984 Anti-Sikh riots. The charges include murder, unlawful assembly, rioting and promoting enmity. The bench, led by Justice Manoj Kumar Ohri, adjourned the matter to November 29th this year. The court noted that certain statements relied upon in the case were not on record and the formal notice has not yet been issued in the matter. Tytler, who was recently appeared before the trial court, pleaded not guilty to these charges. He has now approached the High Court against charges framed against him in connection with these riots. The plea of Jagdish Tytler submitted that the impugned order is perverse, illegal and lacks application of mind. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for the latest legal updates.